Hi there, this is Zaheer Ahmed, and in this video we will learn how to make this glass effect in Adobe Photoshop just in few minutes. So without any further ado, let's get started. So first thing we need to do, just merge a layer along with the backgrounds and text, and then press Ctrl J to make a copy of this layer. Now make a shape that you want to make glass effect. So I'm making here this rectangular and make it just round corner a little bit. Now you can choose any color that you want to make and off the stroke. Now select this layer and make a copy of this layer by pressing Ctrl J and bring it top the layer. Now simply convert this layer into smart object by pressing right click and then convert into smart object. Now make a clipping mask of this layer in this shape by pressing Alt and click on between two layers, and it will make a clipping mask. Now simply select this layer and go to filters, blur, and then Gaussian blur. Now increase the blur how much you want. I am making here 7.0 and hit OK. Now again select this layer and simply go to filters, noise, and add noise. Now you can choose amount of your noise according to your image size. So I have a larger size of image, you can see here. So I am choosing 10 and hit OK. Now again select this layer and simply go to filters and then filter gallery. In filter gallery, you can choose this distort and choose the glass. Now in glass filter, simply you can choose the distortion value. In my case, I'm choosing here 2 and smoothness is almost 2. Increase or decrease scaling of this glass effect or grain. So I'm choosing here 120 and simply hit OK. Our glass effect is ready. Now I am adding here some drop shadows. Now select this rectangular and simply go to effects and drop shadow. Follow these settings. Now select this one and lock it, and select this one and move around, and your glass effect is ready. Please subscribe my channel and hit on bell icon to get notified of latest tutorial. I will see you in my next one. Stay tuned and Allah Hafiz.